next, we have this beautiful pair right here, which is Recalibrate, our repair shampoo and conditioner. Just as sexy as the other one, but different in its own unique way. This product is going to repair your hair. If you did some box dye bullshit on your hair at home and your hair is just suffering, it's like, please, help me. We're here to help. This product combines bond building technology, and yes, it's vegan, just like all the rest of my products. And if you don't know anything about bond building technology, well, I'm here to tell you today. Bonds are, of course, what keeps your hair together. So when they break, it gets brittle, but they can actually be reformed, and Recalibrate helps that process. We also put the fabulous, miraculous maracuja oil inside of this to rehydrate and replenish your hair and make it oh so shiny. And lastly, we put hyaluronic acid in here, and yes, if you have a skincare product that has that, it's the same thing but in hair care form. It locks in the moisture and retains it so that your hair never gets dry.